Welcome to Ionkwateweienhstonhatie Lesson 16. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the locatives that we used last week, incorporated with the nouns otnerohqua and atere, and we're going to be incorporating them into sentences. So if you want to say put something inside something, you would say zeda. So last week we learned otnerohqagu means inside the box. So otnerohqagu zeda ne atano. How yahahes otnerohqagu zeda ne atano. Basket atere, inside the basket aterago. Put it in the basket aterago zeda. So we have an object, and our object is zawahyowane, and I'm going to tell yahahes to put it in the basket. How yahahes aterago zeda ne zawahyowane. To tell someone to put something on something, you would use the verb istra. So your locative, on the basket, your verb istra, put it on, and your object, gahedusera. How yahahes ateraga istra ne gahedusera. To tell someone to put something under something, you would say zorok. Again, under the box, otnerohqagu. Zorok, put it under your object gazere. How yahahes otnerohqagu zorok ne gazere. Under the basket aterogu, put it under zorok and your object gazere. How yahahes aterogu zorok ne gazere. So we know that when we want to say something is next to something, we use the suffix akta. So otnerohqua, otnerohquakta, it's next to the box. And the verb we would use there to put something next to something is idza. Idza means put it there. So next to the basket, aterakta, and to put it there, idza. And we have our object, which is gatse. How yahahes aterakta idza ne gatse. Otnerohquakta, next to the box, idza, put it there, and gatse, your object. So yahahes otnerohquakta idza ne gatse. Nyawati was a wadaroro giskat Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Onagiwahi.